Hello again, you're still with me and for the Fred system. In today's session, we will be checking if we have the necessary documents submitted to Dynamic Therapeutic Services. So to begin, click the Therapist tab and Required Documents. Now, a list is provided regarding the documents that you need to submit in order to work on an assignment. From company confidentiality statement to federal tax ID number form, everything is in here. The legends for the archived documents are found here. The check mark means that documents are provided, while the X marks signify that you have not yet provided the documents. The dates that they are received along with the expiry dates are also given. Now, if you discover that you lack a certain document or it has expired, complete the requirements easily by uploading it directly to the system. Simply choose a file from your computer and click Upload Document. And your task is done. It should be reflected by a check mark under the Has Document section. Easy, right? Well, that's all for now. This has been Anne saying, never give up on anybody. Miracles happen every day.